What up, what up, what up? Gene Wolf here, aka the Jedi Marketer, aka, and with my, my self-proclaimed blockchain baller nickname. Um, it's been a while, I know. What's going on, Gene? Where you been? Do you still do crypto? Do you still make money online? Did you end up losing it all and getting a 9-to-5 job? Well, I'm gonna answer a couple of those questions just to let you guys know. The reason why I'm creating this video is to let you know, for one, oh, let me fix this camera here. I am back, and I know I said I was back in one of my other videos, but the hardest thing about YouTube is staying motivated. Because you got to do the videos, you got to make sure the videos are done correctly, you got to make sure you're fluent. You also have to do video editing, you have to make sure your lighting's good, you have to make sure your content is you're providing the information that you want to execute, and also you got to get feedback too. There's a huge long process to YouTubing. I've been doing it since 2008. And I've been making money on YouTube since 2008. For some of you who have followed my journey know that I failed for a really long time before I even succeeded. But with that said, internet marketing has changed my life, and I owe everything to internet marketing, because I don't know where I'd be in life without internet marketing, being able to provide for my family and my kids. So, first question, do I still do crypto? Yes, I do do crypto. I do day trade. One of the beauties of trading crypto currencies in general, I'm not in Forex, but I'm probably going to end up going into Forex since I'm becoming a really good trader with cryptocurrency, is that it allows you to not have to YouTube, not have to chase friends and family, not have to recruit people. It allows those things. And that's why you don't see me YouTubing a lot. That's why I'm not promoting a lot of different things. I'm still doing Future Ads Pro. I still have investments in different companies. But for the most part, I just trade. I love trading. Trading takes up a majority of my time. It's it's good for me because I'm a full-time daddy and I raise my kids full-time. I don't leave them in the hands of daycares and stuff like that. My son will be going to school next year. Yes. So I'll be one of the things that's gonna free up. It's gonna give me about 7-8 hours a day in free time, and I earned that 7-8 hours a day because I've been raising my kid since he was a baby. With the mama, of course, but then she still works full time, so because she loves to work, right? But because of that, I take it upon myself because of my profession, because of what I do. It makes it convenient for both of us. Saves us money too, because childcare is hella expensive, right? So with that said, yeah, I am back. I still do crypto. I love cryptocurrency. I'm going to be doing more reviews on cryptocurrency for those of you. One of the things that I try to do is avoid doing reviews on shit coins, all right? Coins that really hold no relevance, and I pretty much think that they're probably just going to end up collapsing, taking your money, because that's basically what a lot of these ICOs do. Probably about 99% of the ICOs that come out are just shit, right? So I will be doing more of that. I will be talking more crypto news and stuff. My son's older now, so I can kind of send him upstairs too whenever I do videos. But trust me, it's hard, right? So it's not easy being a full-time daddy and doing this type of stuff. But I'm gonna make it work because I owe it to a lot of the people, a lot of my YouTube subscribers, people who follow me and supported me. I really enjoyed this hiatus. What are we in here? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So we're coming up on 7 months. 7 months. Yeah, that's a 7-month vacation almost for me. And I tell you, it was really nice to not do internet marketing for a while, to just trade and still supplement my income and stuff, and to do that, right? But I'm leaving money on the table, right? I'm a marketer, and you know, in the other video, you guys heard me say that I quit network marketing. I quit MLM health-based type marketing. I hate those products. I mean, no, don't get me wrong. Some of the products are great, but I hate the opportunity side of those companies because they're not made for the regular folk. They're just not. It's guys who are top earners, top recruiters, people like me, people who know how to market, do pay-per-click, who know how to do a lot of paid advertising and attract a lot of leads and stuff. And I can sell. I know how to sell too because I've been in this industry for so long. But yeah, so I'm out of that industry. So that's what that video was really geared towards, was that type of network marketing. I'm still going to be doing direct sales because I do enjoy informational product selling, technology selling. I like marketing products like that. And simply just educating people, putting people in a position to where I was, right? Because the reason why I became successful is because I got involved in certain systems and I started learning how to become a lead generation expert. So this lead generation expert type stuff that you learn is not necessarily geared towards, make money online products, but even just local business marketing. I mean, you have no idea how huge the opportunity is out there if you know how to generate leads online. And it is basically just keyword researching and then learning how to target those keywords with whatever skill sets that you create. And skill sets could be like SEO, search engine optimization, YouTube marketing, blogging, those types of things. So I still enjoy promoting those types of products, but of course, like I said before, I stepped away from the game for about 7 months now. And I am going to be coming back, and you will be seeing more videos about some of the products that I am promoting. Specifically, one particularly, maybe even one of the technology things that I use to create websites and stuff like that as well. That can be really useful for those who want to do social media and local business marketing as well. So. Did I read, am I broke? Do I have a 9-to-5 job? No, I don't. Okay. I haven't had a 9-to-5 job. I mean, since I was a kid, actually. As I told before, I grew up in a really tough, background. I mean, I grew up with pretty much nothing and no skill sets, just an athlete, keeping myself in school. And, I transitioned. I use a lot of my skill sets from basketball to transition into, internet marketing with communication, leadership, and stuff like that. So this is why I'm kind of a natural when it comes to speaking on camera, is because I do have those types of prerequisites to do this type of stuff, right? I mean, I haven't really done a video in 3 months, and I've done one video in 7 months. This is the second video that I've done in 7 months. But I could come back on camera and kind of be pretty natural about it. Not have to read from a script. This is all, I haven't practiced none of this stuff. I cranked out this one clip, boom, and now here it is, right? So I am still doing marketing. I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, and I'm at a point with my YouTube channel where it could go viral and explode because I'm at 6,000 members, 6,000 subscribers. I'm going to be launching a YouTube course. I'm going to be teaching people also how to do YouTube. Videos, editing, stuff like that, keyword researching, which can be utilized and used in any industry to promote local business, social media. It could be products, product reviews, any type of products. So I'm going to be launching a higher ticket offer that you can get involved with. Now, why is it high ticket? Because the information is very valuable. I also have my own systems, right? So I have my own systems that kind of do speed ranking, so they can rank your videos. If you do this, this, and this, which is involved in the course, and then you do this, and you send this type of traffic, boom, within 24 hours, you could be ranking and generating, hundreds to thousands of leads, potentially, right? So I'm going to be doing that as well. A lot's going to be going on now. I'm back in the groove. Not even a few minutes ago, I was just like, okay, Are we gonna do this? Are we gonna do this? I was trying to find the motivation, and I was just like, fuck it, let's go. So I was just like, you know, I found the energy, and I just said, you know what, I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna push really hard. So yeah, so that's the update pretty much. Life's been great. My family has been enjoying my 7-month vacation a great deal. Spending lots of money, you know, and it's not always a great thing because you got to make more money to replace the money that you spent, right? And I've been doing a lot of basketball, as you guys can see. My health is great, so I'm taking care of my health, taking care of myself. I don't do drugs or alcohol. I'm a very, you know, a straight narrow guy now. Like I for 3.5 years, going on 4 years soon, I've been, you know, drug and alcohol free. I don't eat pork, don't eat beef, chicken, turkey, lamb, no white sugars. I do eat natural sugar cane with some of my you know, like coffee and stuff. Actually, I just started drinking coffee again, but that is going to be cut down to, you know, maybe 1 cup every like 2-3 days or something like that, just because I enjoy coffee, right? For the most part though, I live a really healthy lifestyle, and a lot of it has to do with my mindset, internet marketing, self-development, and creating all these, breaking down all these barriers and walls that I used to create, that I created within myself. And now when I have goals, I can go after those goals relentlessly and achieve them. I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that I can turn this channel into 20, 30, to even 100,000 subscribers. And I have no doubt in my mind that I can help people do the exact same thing. I have no doubt in my mind that when I promote a product, I promote a product because I know people can make money with it. So I have no doubt in my mind of those things. The only thing that people need to understand is to duplicate what I do. I am a massive action taker. I take massive action. I don't say I'm going to do something and, you know, with regards past the 7 months, you know, taking my vacation, but I'm a massive action taker. I don't say I'm going to do something. I don't buy a product and then let my product sit in a closet and just waste my money and then yell out, scam the people. I make use of the things that I buy, right? If I buy a product, I'm all in, all right? I'm not buying in at the first level side. I'm all in, and then I'm gonna make money with this product, and I'm gonna support the product, I'm gonna back the product, I'm gonna put my brand on the product, and I'm gonna help other people do the exact same thing. So that's the type of person I am, and that's the type of marketer I am. You know, but let it be known though, you know, failure for me is not necessarily failure anymore, because I learned how to learn from my failures. So failures are actually just learning steps to executing and getting the desired result that I want. It's like building a foundation. So my perspective, my mindset has changed a great deal. Failure doesn't even exist in my mind anymore. Now it's just, these are just learning blocks. These are just foundation. It's like building a house. Only the thing is, you know, I'm building multiple houses over and over again. I know if something works, I'm not gonna try change it. I'm gonna rinse and repeat, right? So guys, that's my update. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you all the trophies that I've been winning. You see that? I'm a winner, man. I've been a winner my whole life. In terms of basketball, you know, I was a loser before, not making very much money and stuff. Came from the ghetto, you know, I was even involved in gangs at one point when I was a young kid. That's just because, you know, because of the intergenerational trauma, because of the, you know, my parents just weren't really great parents, right? But I am who I am today because of them. Even though they didn't directly teach me things, they indirectly taught me things and what not to do, if that makes sense. So, yeah. Really great journey as of late with my basketball career, again rejuvenating it because I've been making all the healthy decisions. But look forward to more content from me, guys. You know, I'm gonna be getting back into the motivational sector too, doing motivational videos. You know, with knowledge comes power, right? And with wisdom becomes great responsibility, and that responsibility is for you to be sharing that wisdom with others, and that's what I'm gonna be doing for you guys as well. So, share, please share the video. You know, Everything helps when I produce this content. It helps when I get more subscribers. It helps when more people know about this stuff. I'm in the industry of helping people and changing people's lives. I can't do that if I don't have your help by sharing the video, liking, commenting, and being engaged with me in my channel. Alright guys, peace.